Alright guys, so today what I want to do is I want to revisit my wheel spacers. So about early to mid-November I put on my wheel spacers. If you want to see that video, check up above. Right now I just kind of want to take a, just kind of a visual of the spacers. This is after about a month with some snow, not a ton of snow, but definitely some snow. And basically what I want to do is see how much I can actually tighten these to the factory spec of 130 foot-pound. So I just want to make sure that these things are on appropriately, correctly, and safely. Alright, so I'm going to take my torque wrench that I bought specifically for this project, and I'm going to see how much these move, tightening them back to spec. They're actually moving a little bit, not a ton, but definitely worth the exercise of tightening these things back up. The last thing I want to do is get any pulsating and warping my rotors, or worst case, having some safety concerns with the wheels falling off or anything crazy like that. And they always say that it's suggested and recommended to do this after about 100 miles. Now, I didn't really get to this till about 1,000, but up to this point I hadn't had any vibration issues or any concerns like that. Alright, so I should be good. And again, with the front rotor, you'll want to pry something up against the brake pedal so you can stop the rotors from spinning. Otherwise these things would spin unbelievably. But just want to do a quick check-in with them. So far I've been extremely satisfied. There's been no vibrations. The handling has actually been far superior to when I had these snow tires on my Charger. I think the ride quality is phenomenal with these spacers. So I'm very pleased, and I'll definitely continue running these throughout the rest of the winter and next year as well. All right, so here is the way that my rear tires flare out in the back. Not terribly bad in the back. I haven't had any rubbing even with potholes or anything like that. That's never been a problem. Here's my front. My fronts stick out a little bit farther than I would like. So I think next year I'm probably going to get 1-inch spacers. Those should clear the lugs, but just kind of how, and granted the wheels turned a little left, but that's just kind of how it's looking right now. So they're definitely kicking out a little bit. But not to where I've seen any issues after hitting potholes or anything like that. So far so good.